The bulbul's baby, small and sweet, yellow and soft from head to feet. Chirp, chirp, he sings all day long, with his mother happy and strong. He spreads his wings and learns to fly from branch to branch up in the sky. He pecks at seeds, sips water too, smiling and playful.